Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to configure your trading hotkeys. Okay, so there are many ways and many possible hotkeys that you could set up to make it even faster the way you trade. So I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, you go to trade hotkey, and here you're able to select how many hotkeys you want. Okay, so just going through one creation, let's say I want to use Shift A as a hotkey, which would sell 100 shares. Okay, sell or buy 100 shares, but I want to buy 100 shares at the bid. So I can select the account, or no, it's gonna be useful for all the accounts. So I'm gonna buy full lot of 100 shares. It could be financial, a number, right? It could be a percentage of the account. So I specifically use a lot of percentage of the account for closing positions, okay, and a fractional lot as well. Okay, but let's go a full lot, and since I want to buy 100 shares at a bid, it's gonna be price bid. And should I increase, especially when I want to hit the offer? So let's say I want to buy at the offer, at the ask. I want to increase. I want to add a price increase. So in money wise or percentage, but I want to, if I hit with 0.2, I'm gonna be, let's say I want to buy a stock that it's $10. If I add an increment or 0.2, my order will be sent at 10.20. Okay, so this is pretty much a fast way that you can set up a lot of different types of hotkeys for you to get even faster in trading. So you can buy, you can sell, you can do it both sides on the ask or the bid, at a full lot or financial or account percentage. You can even add routes, especially for direct market access. So you have different routes in the pre-market, on the after hours, and you can select different specific routes for each hotkeys. This is amazing as well. You can add all the types of TIFs that are available for your broker, and also if you want to increase or decrease the price. So let's say I want to buy at the bid, but I don't want to be exactly at the bid. I want to be 1 cent before. So you can do whatever you want here. So, and you gotta take the show order confirmation out. Otherwise, every single order you're gonna be asked to confirm the order. Okay, that's it. And now I have right here a new hotkey, and you can import, export a list, a batch of hotkeys. Okay, and you can even send this to your friends, and you can pretty much share the same hotkeys structure. Okay, that's it, and until the next video.